Let's be honest. The modern car market is a scam. Dealers want you to believe that if you aren't spending $40,000, you're buying a death trap on wheels. That is absolute nonsense. $8,000 is the ultimate loophole. It is the exact price point where the first owner has already paid for all the depreciation, and you get to swoop in and steal the reliability for pennies on the dollar. You aren't being cheap, you're being efficient. While everyone else is financing plastic garbage for 84 months, you're going to be driving title in hand. If you care about buying smart instead of buying hype, hit subscribe. Here are the top 5 SUVs that prove you can still get a bulletproof daily driver without selling a kidney. This is the ultimate arbitrage vehicle. It is mechanically identical to a Toyota Highlander, but was owned by people who serviced it at the dealership every 3,000 miles. Dealers know these are gold, so they are asking $15,000 for low-mileage ones. Do not pay that. To get this car for $8,000, you have to stop fearing the odometer. You are looking for one with 140,000 miles. On a BMW, that is a death sentence. On this 3.5-liter Toyota V6, it is just the break-in period. Buy the miles, save the money, and drive a leather-wrapped tank for free. At number 2, the first-gen Toyota Highlander. It's not pretty. It looks like a generic box. That is the point. You aren't buying looks, you are buying a drivetrain that refuses to die. Look for the 3.3-liter V6. These things regularly hit 300,000 miles with nothing but oil changes. The interior is basic, which means there are fewer electronic nannies to break and cost you thousands. You are buying pure utility. At number 3, the Toyota RAV4 V6. This is the best-kept secret in the used market. Toyota briefly lost its mind and put a 269-horsepower V6 into a compact SUV. It's faster than most modern sport SUVs and has zero right being this reliable. You get the Honda reliability factor, but with enough torque to actually merge onto a highway without praying. It's practical, unassuming, and absolutely bulletproof. At number 4, the Honda Element. If you want something that isn't just a car but a tool, get this. The Honda Element is weird, boxy, ingenious. It has the same bulletproof K24 engine as the CR-V, but you can wash the floor out with a hose. The price reality. These have a cult following, so pristine ones are expensive. But here is the trick. Don't look for the manual AWD models that collectors want. Look for an automatic with faded plastic cladding. You can still snag those for $6,000 to $7,000. It's ugly, but it will outlast the apocalypse. At number 5, the third-generation Honda CR-V. This is the vehicle you buy when you have completely let go of your ego and only care about your bank account. The K24 4-cylinder engine is a masterpiece of engineering. It is not fast, it is not cool, but it will start every single morning, regardless of the weather, for 20 years. While your friends are financing repair bills on their German SUVs, you're investing the difference. The system is designed to keep you making payments forever. Break the cycle. Buy the title. Keep your money. Now, I want to hear from you. Which one of these 5 would you actually trust with your wallet? Or did I miss the king of cheap SUVs? Let me know in the comments below. I read every single one. If you appreciate the truth and want more of it, hit that subscribe button right now, and I'll see you in the next one.